Hey kids, how about another project? All right, so my Jeep is a 2004 Wrangler, and for a few years it's been riding down the road really rough, suspension wise. So I decided to put new shocks on it. Fronts went in no problem. The backs, you're gonna find that on the backs, the upper bolts the nuts are welded to the frame, and the bolts, most likelihood, if you're doing what I'm doing, are rusted bad. All right, so you're gonna hit it with PB Blaster the night before, the morning before, maybe 2 days before. You're gonna PB blast the hell out of them. You're gonna get under there, you're gonna use your breaker bar, and it's gonna live up to its namesake. At least it did for me. So I broke bolts. Managed to get one out, but I'm drilling now. And just as a side note, the shocks that are on this 2004 Jeep are the original factory shocks. So they've been in there, 20 years. All right, so drilling. You've got your good bit. You're drilling. I'm assuming you've drilled out a bolt before. But you're working, laying on the ground, drilling up. I'm going to show you a quick trick on how to apply slow, easy pressure to your drill and your drill bit to eat away at that bolt so you can drill a hole and get your new shocks in. All right, so we've got our broken bolt, about halfway through it now. And you know, you're on the ground and you're trying to put pressure on that bit. You're trying to go slow and steady. Well, here's what I figured out, and I'll tell you what, it's working like a champ. So I can run the drill nice and slow, real slow and steady. All right, and then slowly apply pressure with the ratchet strap. And you can see the metal coming out. Well, that's my trick on how to apply pressure without breaking your arm trying to push up on that for an hour or however long it takes you to drill through that bolt. That's genius. That's genius.